Today we're playing Baldi's Disaster Survival. Never mind. This game is pretty much a natural disaster survival with Baldi, basically. You can buy stuff in the store. Also, yes, I'm a Baldi fan. I'm a Baldi fan. Shut up. Okay, go to like. Oh, hey, look, I think they added a new item. I don't know. Still. So you can, if you survive a round, you can think pads right here, which you can buy many items. Anyways, you totally did not saw the Gubby head, chat. That would. Wait, I summoned the Forsaken fans. What the fuck? Speak out, summoning the Forsaken fans. Oh, this is supposed to be Baldi's disaster mission. That's right. But then I just decided to. I'm gonna. What fucking what? Hey, look, it's the green screen, man. Remember Albert? Yeah, remember Albert? You know. Alright, the physics and collision of this game is not that good, not gonna lie. Like, this just... Also, by the way, I'm lowering Baldi's headquarters. Baldi's taking over everything. Somebody stop with the conga. Bruh, really? Bro is with the backpack and frontward. Bro's with the backpack frontward. I have no idea what I'm saying. But you saw that shit, right, chat? It's supposed to be at the back. It's called backpack, not front pack. Pack. Six pack. You know what? Fuck this. I'm going up. It sucks to go up. Jesus. You have to do like the voxel jump. Whoa! Why you were so... Wait, what? Wait, what if it is... Which I didn't pay attention. Oh god. I'm just gonna... I'll stop. I don't know. Also, yeah, I actually played this game. Surprise, surprise. I actually did play this game. That's a fun fact. Can you... Okay. Yeah, I did the... So there's this command that makes you do the conga. Makes you do the conga. And, you apparently do the conga dance, like, forever and ever. You cannot stop doing the conga. There's Ragdoll. What the fuck is this zesty shit? Okay, that was hilarious. Bruh. Okay. I don't know. I'm just alive at this point. Sometimes I get stuck into objects, which really sucks, by the way. He's slapping your ass. God, I almost died. I was gonna fall. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Maybe it was because I was in the basement. Wait, is that a Delta Room reference? I don't know. Something, I guess. No, that's okay. That's a V. I call him Balsi, by the way. Baldi from Basic 9, I call him Balsi, pretty much. I should just stop. Pants. Make the pants go back to... I have two items. Maybe we will play like 3 maps and then we'll probably like end the video. I'm sorry if the sound quality if the microphone quality is so bad. I'm sorry if the sound quality still sounds kind of bad. I mean, I'm still trying to test out here what have you and cool kid. Get your ass up here, bro. Oh, bro's trying to get you.
The last airline fleet didn't work so well. Fly high now.
Oh, we're cooked. Jump! Oh, epic Baldi, do you know how to jump? Dead. Wait. What's gonna happen again? Just shut the fuck up. Ow! Come on, bro. This really sucks because, like, Baldi jumps and he goes like, "Whoa!" Dumbass. Oh, never mind. Nobody survived, actually. Last man standing. Oh, that's bullshit. Really? Okay. Yes, last man standing is from. Son of a bitch. I swear to God. How did he get on? How did he get on? I guess that was from time. Stop. I gave you a little bit of a taste. I gave you a little bit of the taste of the music, by the way. Just a little bit of the taste of the music, by the way, because, like, you know, badges, new disasters, Baldi maps, you can Fang pats? I'm sorry, what? Customization. Oh, customizations be. Should we buy something? Okay, for the last round, chat, should we buy something? Yeah, I have 550 you can fake pads. This one looks absolutely amazing. Dude, Baldi top hat. Unfortunately, you cannot. Unfortunately, however, you cannot. Yeah, Schoolhouse. There's a bunch of references. There's a bunch of references to Baldi's basic songs. And Baldi's basic mod songs too, which I absolutely love. Also, this map again. Should I just end this video? No, I think we should just end this video after the last round. Okay, you get in Schoolhouse. Let's escape. Oh, fuck! Just jump! Oh, there's a visible wall. What the hell's Gojo? Yeah, that's his name. Literal display name. Gojo. Ow! Okay. Oh, never mind. Actually, no, fuck this. Oh, never mind. This is a different version of it. I guess it just. I'm safe here, mud freak. I don't have a flashlight. Apparently, there's a ruler accessory too. Alright, I cook. Watch me, mind. I'm still dancing. Oh yeah, I can slash. It's like. Don't worry, it's not a copyrighted version where it's just like. Also, you can say all these basic lines.
Great job!
Oh, if I'm gonna be alive, please God, just let me live. Let me live, God. Coca is just straight up. Coca is just like rolling on the ground and doing shenanigans. Oh, we did it. Victory Royale chat, we did it. Right, nobody activated the Baldi's disaster machine. Also, yes, you can turn into balsi. You can turn into balsi. And also a balloon too. And also a subterfuge baldi. But I won't tell you how to do it. Maybe you should search a tutorial on how to become a balsi, a subterfuge baldi, and a balloon in this game. Just search up a tutorial or just join this game, ask how, and then bam, boom, done. Anywho, I hope, okay. Oh, never mind. I guess we're ending off this video with this last round right here, chat. Oh god, no, but it's gonna be like, okay, if you know me, I do a bunch of laggy footage. Like I do a lot of laggy footage, like a lot. What the fuck? Why am I getting flamed? Oh! I guess I did it, chat. Well done. Jesus Christ. And 430 people got him after a year. This pushed the entire building. Oh. So that means we have to dodge. Okay, I don't have any music to put in here. Yeah, no, there's no music. Nah, I glitched it. Nah, I'd win. Check this shit out. Balsi. I'd win. Look, I'd win by absolutely doing nothing. Check this shit out. I hope I win by absolutely doing nothing. This shit too easy. Unless jump scare moment. Baldi. See, me and Matthew the second is gonna win right here by just straight up dancing. No. Okay. I was actually gonna. Wubby's cook. Okay. No. Hell not. Can go to the first. Don't worry. You can go to the first person. By the way, and zoom in. Out. Out. I said out. Jeez. What? What? Gotta lock in, chat. Is there 3 dots above? It's not fair. Oh, we won. Can we ball? We can ball. Oh, we cannot ball. That's unfortunate. Okay. What the fuck? Tiny Baldi. Interact. Never mind, we cannot interact with Baldi. No, Baldi, give me some tricks and tips. Cool tricks and tips. Okay, I'm feeling cringe right now. No. It's a Baldi sword fight. Oh, I actually played that game before. If y'all have been around in like 2019 or well in the 2010s, you know, on Roblox you have totally played Baldi sword fight. Okay, I think that's gotta. Hold on. Alright, so that's gotta do it for today's video. Hope y'all like and subscribe. Did I just saw somebody T-pose running? That's hilarious. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And okay, bye. See y'all later. I guess. Wait, what? Okay. Can we jump off?